Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim PlayStation Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To claim PlayStation Stars rewards, you first need to be enrolled in the PlayStation Stars program and signed in with your PSN account. PlayStation Stars is mainly managed through the PlayStation app on your phone, not directly on the console. Start by opening the PlayStation app on your Android or iPhone and logging into your PSN account. On the home screen, look for the PlayStation Stars icon, usually a star symbol, or the Stars section in your profile. Tap on it to open the PlayStation Stars hub. If you haven't joined before, you'll see an option to join PlayStation Stars, accept the terms, and sign up. Once inside, go to the campaign section. These are challenges like playing certain games, earning trophies, or making purchases. When you complete a campaign's requirement, the reward becomes claimable. Some rewards are automatic, while others need you to tap Claim on the completed campaign. For points rewards, your points are added to your balance after completing eligible purchases or campaigns. You can redeem these points by going to the Rewards or Catalog in PlayStation Stars. There you can exchange points for wallet funds, games, or digital collectibles. Just select the reward you want and confirm redemption. And that's it. So that's basically how you can claim PlayStation Stars. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.